Welcome to all to the channel Navodaya Master. In the present edition of this video, we are discussing about adverbs. As adjectives are connected with nouns, adverbs are linked with verbs. So, adjectives, adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs modify verbs. So, we have seen adjectives qualify nouns, nothing but describe something about verbs. Adjectives are describing something about nouns. Adverbs are describing about verbs. Only this much. Single word. So let us see instances. Instance nothing but examples. Generally, adverbs at the last two letters will be ly. Generally, again I am talking generally, it is not 100%. Maybe variations. Variations are always common. So, writing is a verb. See, just see the comparison between adjective and adverb. Adjective comes before noun. Adverbs come after noun, after verb. Just opposite. Okay. Writing is an action. All of us know. Speaking, an action. Eating, teaching, hitting, singing, reciting, talking. So there is no end for action. All the time action. Man is doing one thing or another. Breathing is an action. Sleeping is an action. So every time man is doing something. You see here. Writing neatly is connected with writing. So neatly is modifying the verb writing. Fluently speaking fluently is linked with speaking. Similarly, all the words. Eating quickly, teaching excellently, hitting continuously, singing nicely, reciting exactly, talking slowly. So I have written about 5, 6, 7, 8 examples. So this is what adverb. My dear children, become familiar. Not only children, anyone, any person who wants to learn about the language, who wants to become thorough with the language, because first we should start with simple things. Directly we cannot go to complex and advanced ideas. When you learn simple things, you get confidence. Once you get confidence, automatically you will learn more and more. You will proceed. So that is what my purpose. So I just repeat, summing up. Summing up is nothing but telling the essence. We call it essence or quintessence. Okay, summing up. What is idea? Adverbs modify verbs. Adverbs modify verbs. It describes something about verbs. Generally, it comes after the verb. Most of the time, ly is an indication of adverb. So that's all for today. Thank you.